Hello guys, good evening from Shenzhen, China. Today we have special topic. We are going to talk about the keyword and the keyword conversion rate. It's one of the important fact about the keyword. The keyword metrics are very important, especially relevancy. How we can analyze and find out what the keyword is suitable for our listing, for our product. Here we have a fact to analyze our keyword to be relevant for our product or not. The relevancy is number one fact when we analyze the keyword. So how we can make sure this keyword is relevant or not, we are gonna check the many detail of the keyword, and the special one is conversion rate. Why conversion rate is important? It has very easy and the basic, straightforward meaning, because just imagine there are hundred clicks to your listing, and there is 100 buyers come to your listing, and 10 of them purchase your product. So it means your conversion rate is 10%. Just let's suppose something else. Again, there is 100 guys come to your listing, you got 100 clicks, and from there you can get 25 sales and 25 orders. It means your conversion rate is 25 divided by 100, order divided by clicks. Your conversion rate is 25%. We can find many keywords related with our product, and then we can make sure which one is the high converting. Normally, previously, long time ago, we find those keywords from the Amazon. We run PPC and get to the analyzed, get the result that some keywords are very high converting keywords. From the PPC report, from search term report, we understand it. But now, we don't need that one to understand, okay, this keyword is high converting or this keyword is not high converting. We have a tools from SellerSprite or from brand analytics, from your Seller Central. You can define which keywords are high converting or which keyword is not. So I'm gonna share my screen and begin. Just come here, share screen, entire screen here. Okay. Now it should come here. Now let's make it bigger. Okay. Here, let's go to Amazon, and I'm gonna search cordless vacuum cleaner. Okay. So now we're gonna find the products here. I copy same keywords and I come to SellerSprite. On the tools menu, we're gonna find the keyword conversion rate here. Open it. Meanwhile, there are different kind of data. We can choose it weekly, or we can choose it like 3 months, 90 days data. You can do same thing for different countries, Japan, Spain, Italy, etc. Now I'm gonna select United States weekly. Now put that keyword, cordless vacuum cleaner, here. Later we can do multiple keywords research, but now I just put this one. And I search now. So we got 541 keywords here. Meanwhile, now I'm just leaving these filtrations empty. Later, maybe I can come here to add some metrics. Right now, I just don't want. I just want to keep it the empty. Match type, from here we can select it: exact match, phrase match, broad match, same category filter, etc. It's very comprehensive. We can select from here to understand the PPC or report. Meanwhile, you see from here, okay, this data show time frame. It's from August 10 to August 16, this time frame data. Now, if you want to find out what the most clickable products from here, just click these 10 top products, and we we show you what they are, what the keywords. After searching this keyword, what's the main products pop up? Right, not right now. Last week, in this time frame, a week ago, specifically this time frame. Why it's important? This data is coming from brand analytics, so we can select it to understand. Now, it's why it's important. We can understand, okay, if last 90 days, this keyword generate a click for this kind of the products, and in last 1 week it didn't change, it means next in the coming days it's also difficult to change it. So now I'm gonna no, just leave it. Let's check it for 1 week data. It's very important from here to understand and analyze. So it means how the competitive this category, this keyword is, and how this product got stuck here. Now I just wanna analyze the keyword. Don't need to analyze the product. Here we have the similar data like brand analytics, weekly search volume, weekly clicks. We see the weekly clicks. It has been generated over 60,000 weekly clicks from this particular keyword. And the weekly search volume, weekly conversion rate, you see guys, this keyword conversion rate is 2.16%. 2.16% is not the high actually. The reason is that maybe this is the keyword for high pricing keyword, or maybe that's not the most relevant keyword. It's very important. When the product price is high, it's normal. Customers checking different products, and maybe they are paying attention more to images, reviews, price, and after checking several, maybe 5 or maybe 10, and then they are purchasing, they are making decision. But if they are buying like the 20, 15, 25, $30 products, they are not paying attention too much. They say, okay, just buy it. If there is a problem, I can return, or it's not that big money because it's okay. But for when the product price is high, like maybe around 100 or something like that, then customer is going to check the more detail. This is one of the reasons why the conversion rate of cordless vacuum cleaner conversion rate is less. But some keywords are kind of the broad. Maybe they are searching the exact keyword for pet cleaning, or maybe they are searching the keyword for specifically for one reason. And then the keyword conversion rate there will be higher, because this is the kind of good keyword, but it's not for this subcategory. It's not that much the defining. It's not a exact long tail keyword. Okay, we see the keyword conversion rate from here, and the vacuum 7x cordless vacuum cleaner, and the Shark cordless vacuum cleaner. This is the brand. Probably Shark got a lot of clicks on, or this kind of the Shark or Dyson or Bissell. This kind of the keywords already became something like generic keyword. They don't indicate specifically this brand. And they are generic keyword. Some people, even sellers, I know, even we also add these keywords on the back end for ranking for this this phrase. Okay, now we see the keyword monthly search conversion rate. This is the click conversion rate. What's the main difference between them is, for example, this is weekly generated purchases. When we see this one, search volume, and this is the purchase amount. We divide this one to this number, and we are gonna get the search conversion rate. This is the search conversion rate. And likewise, there is also click conversion rate. What's the click conversion rate? Also, we know maybe someone is searching the keyword, but they are not getting relevant product for their searches. Then they are gonna click, they are not going to click. Maybe they are going back to search another keyword, or maybe scroll down and then search another keyword. That's the main difference. When the customer search any product and they purchase, it's gonna define as search conversion rate. And the same time, there is click conversion rate. The click conversion rate is most of the time, roughly, this number is roughly, but it's like twice bigger than search conversion rate. Which one is important? This is kind of tricky question, which one you should consider most, but depends on what kind of the product you are analyzing. Therefore, maybe you can go forward. But both metrics are important to analyze, and both metrics are important to consider. So on the normal product page, and for example, I'm gonna open one of them, this one. And when we run the Chrome extension or reverse ASIN tool from here, on the product detail page, we can run the Chrome extension from SellerSprite. So we are gonna see the conversion rate here as well. Just come a little bit. Now I just lost it. I don't know why it's not showing here, but normally here we see the conversion rate of each keywords. You see the keywords are here on the left side, and we are gonna see the keyword search volume, each keyword search volume here on the how many units sold and what's the percentage of that's conversion rate. So this conversion rate is search conversion rate, because on this Amazon product detail page or Amazon search page, we are gonna analyze. Normally, we are analyzing and the search volume and the search volume metrics, and the click is like one next step and one maybe the advanced detail to check. Therefore, on this kind of the Amazon search page or product detail page, the conversion rate from the SellerSprite is indicating its search conversion rate. Okay, now I can go back to. So this is the keyword conversion rate. If you find any of them are important, like this one, or Shark cordless vacuum cleaner, this one, or this one, and then you can create a keyword list for your listing. Then ultimately you check, maybe previously you used for your listing, or if there is any keywords you missed, you didn't use on your listing, maybe you can add those keywords into your listing. Okay, for example, I selected 3, and my list, this is the previous keyword list. I can select one of them, launch product, and save. Or if you want to create a new one, you can add to my list. From here, you can add the previous one, or you can create new one like conversion. Save, and by default it has been selected, and submit. those keywords will be added here. This the conversion the file. Later you can go to find anytime. Horizontally, when we check this, we are gonna see PPC bids, which are also a very important detail before launching the product, or normally when you are selling the product, you can compare your PPC bids with other Amazon. Most of the time it's same for all the listings, not only for you, for all the listings. The keyword PPC bids, CPCs are same, but it's good to check more detail. These PPC bids are for exact PPC campaign. So now let's gonna check the broad and the change. Okay, you see the PPC bids are changing differently. Like for phrase, it's 3.13. For exact, you see it's changed. For broad, you see it's also changing. Here we are gonna see PPC bids for minimum, maximum, and the Amazon suggested. If we go down, we are gonna see all of those, the PPC bids for all the keywords. Now let's go to check this CPA, cost per acquisition. I'm gonna return back to okay. This is by default was good. Let's search now, and I wanna analyze by default. This is the okay. No, not it's not by default. I go to app and I check one more. Cordless vacuum cleaner. What is this metrics? Cost per acquisition, average advertising cost per order. So it says suggested CPC divided by click conversion rate. Minimum, medium, maximum CPC values are used to drive the corresponding CPA range. So after searching this product, customers roughly spent this money to purchasing this product. This is the average how much money they are spending after searching this product. Maybe okay, maybe let's go to check one another keyword. What I can see, like bamboo pillow. Okay. Now I wanna see what's the CPA for them. Okay, here is like that. Average, it's 32, 35, 29, 29, and 15 or something like that. You see this, the number is changing, and after searching this keyword, customer purchase, average customer, like maybe 100, the customers purchase the product, their average is $32. Why this metric is important is when we analyze and we find out the customer segmentation. Customer prefer to buying averagely. Customer prefer buying a higher product price or maybe a lower product price because there is different product price range. Some products sold $20. Some similar product or almost same products they sold maybe $100. So we can understand how the market is sensitive for price. Market is divided several metrics. For example, for price sensitive product, design sensitive product, or review sensitive product, etc., etc. So if the number is high, and the number is, when we search on the Amazon, we see the product is similar price with what we see here, it means okay, price is not that sensitive for pricing. Market is not sensitive for pricing. Customer purchases what they see on the first page. They don't check one by one, very detailed. Now we are gonna see same, and the ACOS advertising cost of sales, ad revenue, ACOS CPA divided by product. You can see UC, and this is the threshold ACOS. We can say also threshold ACOS. What's the minimum ACOS range? You need to have like 36%. At least your ACOS should be 36% for this keyword, cordless vacuum cleaner shark. You got the profitable from the PPC sales. If your ACOS is like the 40% or 50% higher than 36%, so it means you are gonna lose the money from PPC sales. It's okay because we run the PPC to keep our organic rank for several keywords or all the keywords. It's difficult to maintain your keyword position without running PPC. So it's the direct, not direct, there is indirect important way. But for if you want to be profitable for this kind of the keywords, like you should have at least 36% threshold ACOS to get profit from this exact match type for this keyword. Ad budget, we can this is the kind of estimation, and the estimation result is coming from we estimate the CPC and how many clicks on the market sellers get, and let's suppose they got weekly 60,000 clicks. There is 100 seller. It means everyone get at least 600 clicks, 600 clicks weekly. So 600 clicks needs what amount of the money daily to generate the 600 clicks? 600 clicks weekly meaning divided by 7, 80 clicks per day. 80 clicks per day, and you need to spend this amount of the money to generate organic plus advertising to generate this amount of the click. Like 80 clicks, you can get this ad. 80 clicks you can generate from this ad budget. If your budget is 73%, you can get 80 clicks. And this data is also coming from Amazon Brand Analytics. Yeah, you see ABA concentration. This is also very important to understand. Your cordless vacuum cleaner, maybe I can cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Okay, check this one. We are gonna see how it's changing over the time, weekly. Maybe if you wanna understand monthly, I just switch to monthly. How it's going down. This kind of the total click concentration or conversion concentration is important to understand how it's changing. We see there is a significant decreasing here in 2022 end of year and the beginning of 2023. Then since that time, almost 2.5 years, it's kind of stable. There is a little bit fluctuation, but mostly it's same, not changing much. Total click share, you see from here, click share is also decreased. This is not the bad, this is kind of the good metrics. When the click share is 3 products, click share is around 10 or 15 or 20%. That's good metrics because rest of the sellers in the market also getting some clicks. It's not distributed among top 3 sellers. For example, this is very bad metrics, and this keyword is supposed as a bad keyword. The main reason is the 3 big brands, 3 big keyword products dominate the market, and they got over 81% of total market the impression and the 65% of total clicks. This is a very small percent of the clicks or impression left for other sellers, which is very bad, and If you cannot get among this one, it means your sales will be very low for this kind of the keyword. It's essential to focus on, for example, cordless stick vacuum cleaner. This is impression is fine. Also, the clicks are also fine. These metrics are very good. What those products are, we can see from here. Okay, we see this one, two, three. Those three products got mainly impression and the clicks. Under that, we are gonna see impression share, click share, and is a conversion share. For the first one, I don't know why, but they are getting like 90% of total clicks. I'm sorry, impression. This is very important. This guy got tons of the clicks from this. They got the impression, but their conversion is not that high. That's also very important. Again, you are getting the impression, but you are not converting well. It means there is a problem. Cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Now I'm gonna open this keyword on the Amazon search page and also open these three products to analyze why this guy getting a lot of the impressions and the click, they don't get the clicks. Probably it's not relevant, or they have the bad metrics on maybe their reviews are not good, maybe their image is not good, or maybe that's not the relevant keyword for that search result. I can open this one. Okay, this is the let's love it, this brand. The conversion is pretty good, and I'm gonna open this one as well. Okay, and this one, love it, ASIN. This one also, okay. So firstly, I go to Amazon search page. This is the cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Here we see what the stick meaning here. I didn't get exactly what they are meaning, but I need to go to analyze details like this page. This guy got a lot of impression and the clicks, but their sales are not that high. And the price is a little bit high. Now it's limited time deal. Their price is 109. Probably they are selling like 120 or 125 something. Love it. And this is one of the famous brand for home appliance category. Even they don't have any PPC, they don't run the PPC. They have a lot of the reviews and they probably rank very good for this the keyword. And from here we understand that their sales are like over 10,000. This guy, how is this guy sell? They sell over 5,000. Now, lastly, check this guy. This guy's sales are more than 1,000. Here we see the revenue. Revenue is also fine, and they are running heavy PPC. You see many keywords. They are running PPC for many keywords. So it's not exactly clear why these guys got a lot of clicks, impression, and they got sale, but this guy cannot convert the impression and the clicks into sales. But maybe there is specific reason right now we couldn't find. Maybe you can analyze more detail to understand. From here, you can select same for phrase match, and those keywords we are gonna analyze as a phrase match, like cordless cleaner, shark cordless cleaner, etc., etc. And this data is important to understand. Even I can put here like maybe 89 and I confirm. If I'm selling the product like 89 and we're gonna see the equals here, what would be our the threshold equals, what would be our the ad budget? It's changing according to product price. It's important to understand and analyze these metrics accordingly. For example, if I put here 129, confirm, and you see our ACOS is 20, 36, 42%, etc., etc. It's going to change here. Guys, today we talk about the keyword conversion rates. If you have any question, please let me know. I just can stop the sharing the screen. If you have any question, now or later, it doesn't matter. If you have any question, you can write on the in the description. We would be happy to answer your question. Let's just lastly check on YouTube, and then we can finish. It's almost Q4 is starting, guys. Go ahead and happy selling. Wish you are going to crash on end of September, October, November, and you can get the big sales. Have a nice day. Take care. Much love from Shenzhen.